My name is Jordan Bobier. I am a junior. I want to be a welder because it's good money and I've already got a good head start at it, so that's going to help me out in the future.
Bobier has been involved in the Welding Academy since the beginning of the school year after his cousin recommended he take the opportunity. In class, Bobier learns skills that will help in his career. Every class is taught differently, and in welding, it's all hands-on.
So basically, we get there, he says, go get your stuff on, then we go weld. We just basically practice different welding joints. That's going to help us in the future. Then we pass them, and we just keep doing it, just weld the whole time. It's not easy to weld. Like, you think you just do it, but there's a lot more that goes into it, a lot more patience and timing.
Applications for the Welding Academy are available online for 1 week in November at plcschools.org. There, students can find more information or they can talk to Ms. Custer in the guidance office. In January, students will find out if they've been accepted, and then Ms. Johnson and Academy staff will help them register for classes. While the registration process may be unexciting for students, time spent at the Welding Academy isn't always as quiet or dull, which Bobier knows well.
So I was welding as a stick electrode, and I got stuck to my metal, and I couldn't get it off because it was stuck on, and then the whole stick caught on fire, and I didn't know what to do, so I just grabbed it, threw it in a bucket. It's pretty intense.
If students are interested in a welding career, they should consider looking into the academy.
Do it. It's really fun. It's a great opportunity to prepare for your future. There's hardly any downsides to it.
This is Bennett Clary from plpulse.com.